Boa noite. Vamos curtir uma sequência legal com o Sorriso DJ. Tá um pouco chuvoso no Rio de Janeiro, tá frio, né? Então vamos curtir uma livezinha rapidinho com o Sorriso DJ. Amanhã, aquele baile bacana na Ilha do Governador, na Praia São Bento, hein? A partir das 19 horas, Sorriso e Carlão DJ, com certeza show de bola. Praia São Bento, ao lado da churrascaria Siri da Ilha do Governador, Caricato Music Bar. Vamos lá! A partir das 19 horas, Sorriso e Carlão DJ.
As I sit here by my window and I look out on the street, I see something that's so pleasing. I'm wondering, how could we let this be? Is it too late to say what we had? We can't ignore what's going on. If we put efforts into something positive, we can make a better world to live in. As I sit here by my window, seeing things I can't believe. Children killing for no reason. I wish this madness would disappear. Is it right for people to go hungry? We can't ignore what's going on. If we put efforts into something positive, we can make a better world to live in. As I look outside my window, I see something I can't believe. And if I close my window, what will the future bring? What will the future bring? I wanna know. As I lie here by my window, children sleeping on the street. Mothers, fathers have no place to go. Where is our God when we need Him so? Is it too late to say what we have? We can't ignore what's going on. If we put efforts into something positive, we can make a better world to live in. Oh yeah. As I look outside my window, I see something I can't believe. No. And if I close my window, what will the future bring? What will the future bring? As I look outside my window, I see something I can't believe.
Manda Alô Celso, Mr. Nando DJ. Breve, breve. Só aguentar mais um pouquinho. Boemia com o maninho do Mr. Nando, hein? É só aguardar.
my block. Pretty little girl so hot. Feeling her for a minute cause she's got what I want. She looks so good. Her smile hypnotizes me. She's the finest thing I've ever seen. I could see her with somebody like me, so complete. But what if I told her how I feel? Would she believe that I'm for real? What if this is just a crush on a girl that I don't know? What if she's just a fantasy? Maybe she's not the one for me. Think I oughta
Mandar usado pro Reinaldo. Tá bem? Alô, Beto Pinish, que está assistindo aí o Mega Soul aqui com o Sorrijei na live. Alô, Marcela, Thiago. Dá uma versão do Thiago aí. O Alexandre, Adira já. Gustavo. Ó, o Mega Soul, o som do charme.
Feel just like an open book, and it's crazy how she got me shook. Like this, I just freeze when I see her walking down the street with a body I just can't believe. Never try to make her notice me before. Cause what if she's too hard to impress? What if it's something I regret? Think I oughta let it be. Yeah, yeah. I don't know her name or where she's from. She got me tripping like she's the one. She will never know just how I feel, but I don't mind. Just wanna feel her lips on me. Show her that love while she's feeling to me. I don't mind that. Tomorrow's gonna be the day. I know she closes work at 8, and I'll be there great day. Think I'll bring 12 roses. Finally I'll ask her name, and maybe we could go out someday. Now there's a chance she could turn me away, but I don't mind that. I don't know her name or where she's from. She got me. She's the one. She won't let me know just how I feel, but I don't mind. Just wanna feel her lips on me. She want that love while she's feeling me, but I know that it's not meant to be. I don't mind. She got me tripping like she's the one. She will never know just how I feel, but I said I don't mind it. Just wanna feel her lips on me. Yeah. But I know that it's not meant to be. I don't mind it. Said I don't.
Sorriso DJ, tocando o melhor da Black Music.
Amigão Alexandre, da Irajá. Uma oração, Alexandre. Meu brother, Telinho DJ Charme Class. Boa noite, DJ. Valeu pela força aí. Meu amigo Mr. Nando, show de bola, hein? A live dele também arrebenta, hein?
Wasting my
doing? It's me, the Mac, the PhD pursuing ya. Who in the world gave you the right to look so well on mine? Sucking on a pickle with a now later in the middle. How I feel for your girl is no riddle. I wanna, yeah, I got to have her. She looks more better, so I want her more badder than a thick man in quicksand. Hopes for help. At a glance, I'ma go for self. She's as cute as a puss in boots with good hair, and it's real to the roots. Damn near perfect. On my life, I pray for an all-world girl who's sweet as Kool-Aid. And thoughts of feeling that honey can make me cry. You hell of a babe. Oh me, oh my. The kind of 9 to 5 cause I rhyme to survive. I guess I do alright cause I'm staying alive. I'm in the game of fame, gang of girls for my last name. Not for love but for life in the fast lane. Gold diggers see dollar, so they scream and holler at my concert. Hoping I notice him but it don't work. Cause I hate it.
Mandar um beijão pra Rita, minha prima. Ligadinha. Alô, Paulo Marinho. Paulo Marinho. Chama de Paulo Marinho, né? Lá de São Gonçalo. Tamo junto, Paulo. Alô, Edna. Grande Edna Rodrigues. Tá ligadinha aí na transmissão aí do Face. Obrigado pela força. Amanhã aquele baile bacana na Ilha do Governador, hein? Tocar música bonita, Nando. Hoje eu tô inspirado um pouquinho mesmo. Deu vontade de fazer uma livezinha.
Step tonight, everything's gonna be alright. Party all night, gonna dance till the morning light. Step tonight, everything's gonna be alright.
Mega Soul, o som do charme.
Walked up in this party, the vibes were feeling right. DJ's music pumping, yeah, the club was pumping. I raised my glass up in the air, go party like I just don't care. And girl, I'm in my zone. It's time to get my groove on. So come on. Step tonight, everything's gonna be alright. Party all night, gonna dance till the morning light. Step tonight, everything's gonna be alright. Party all night, gonna dance till the morning light. It's a feel good kind of music.
Mandar um beijo pra Fátima lá do Quintino. Alô, Fátima! Tamo junto!
Everybody stepping, turning around and around and around. People, put your drinks in the air. We gon' party like we just don't care. And ladies dancing so smooth. Ain't nothing like the flavor from the
Esse casal da Edna Rodrigues, um casal bacana, cara. Já me acompanha há um tempão, né? Show de bola, cara. Obrigado aí. Edna da Penha. Lá do Coqueiro da Penha. Tá ligadinho aqui no Face. Com sorriso.
Come on, step to your left. Now step to your right. Yeah, now turn your
Lembrando que é toda sexta-feira. Sexta-feira passada foi sucesso. Sorriso e Carlão DJ. DJ convidado foi Zenone DJ.
Come on and dance with me. Gonna dance till the morning light.
O William Paulista não deu pra ele comparecer, né? Teve um compromisso muito sério. Mas com certeza vai aparecer. Marcar outra data pra ele aí, valeu? Isso lá na Praia São Bento, na Ilha do Governador, tá bom? Praia São Bento, número 1, ao lado da churrascaria Siri da Ilha, Caricato Music, bar, restaurante, mais uma realização Marco Aurélio, mais aquela força bacana, professor Eduardo da Muniz, da Vila da Penha.
Everything's gonna be alright. Come on, party all night. Gonna dance till the morning light. Step tonight. Everything's gonna be alright. Put your hands in the air all night. Gonna dance till the morning light. Go party like we just don't care.
Hey girl, I love the way you love me. You give me all that I need. It's crazy, used to my baby, used to my lady, got me singing. Hey, I'll take it, make it okay. I'm trying to do it your way. I told you I'll be a soldier, anything for you. Now that you know I need you, baby, believe it, baby. It's easy, baby, believe it, lady. It's all about us, yeah, baby. It's all about trust. Now that you know I need you, baby, believe it, baby. It's easy, baby, believe it, lady. It's all about us, yeah. And maybe all we need is love. I need in my life, in my life. I'm so I know, don't need no one. All I need in my life. I'm so I know, don't need no one. I know there's niggas all in your past who hurt you, did you so bad. They cheated, not what you needed, they couldn't see it. That's why I'm here. I promise I'ma go there. I hold you, show you I care. You're captain, let's make it happen. Girl, don't you know I need you, baby. Need you, baby. It's easy, baby. Need a lady. It's all about us, yeah, baby. It's all about trust. Let you know I need you, baby. Need you, baby. It's easy, baby. Need a lady. It's all about us, yeah, baby. All we need
Sorriso DJ, tocando o melhor da Black Music.
8 o'clock, purple clouds. Look outside, my heart is heavy with regret. Never thought I could be standing so empty. Now your face I know I never will forget. They say this is love, and you go through things like this sometimes, trying not to show. Oh no, you know I know that it's over, but I just can't let it go. Now that I know it wasn't meant to be between you and me. Now I know it wasn't meant to be. I've seen now the road I've been going down. It wasn't meant to be.
Valeu, William! Uma de parada de Lucas.
Twilight, sun going down. The atmosphere, it's all romance is in the air. Reaching out for a piece of a memory. Final moments of our love we could share. But too many things undecided in between us. A lifetime and a day. Oh, yeah.
Essa parada, Nando, você também toca legal. Você também é sinistro.
There's nothing more to say. We'll have to pay. It wasn't meant to be between you and me. Now I know it wasn't meant to be. I've seen now the road I've been going down. It wasn't meant to be between you and me. Now I know it wasn't meant to be. I've seen now the road I've been going down.
Daqui a pouquinho da live aqui vem uma grande Telinha DJ, cara. Charme Class.
See, this is love, and you go through things like this sometimes. That's the way it goes. Oh no, I got so much emotion, but I just can't let it go. No, 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 it wasn't meant to be. Between you and me, ooh, it wasn't meant to be. I see now the road I've been going down. Wasn't meant to be. Between you and me, baby. See
Sorriso DJ, tocando o melhor da Black Music.
Você passará aqui. Outras pernas nos enganam por aí. Versos são fios submersos em ascensão. Vem pro sol quente, vem e tente o perdão.
Nando, você que me dá aula, Nando. Vem com essa não, hein? Você também é bom, cara. Você, o maninho, brinca, né? Daqui a pouquinho tem Charme Cresce com o telinho de jeito no Face aí, hein? Fica ligado.
No caminho eu vejo um cortejo à luz do sol.
Quero mandar um alusão pro Eduardo Ângelo. Um abração, meu amigo.
Flores são cores do remorso ou da paixão.
Mais uma versão do Denilson DJ, hein?
Meu amor,
bacana, hein?
Entende, venha sentir o perdão.
Mandar alusado pra Carla. Del Castilho. Carla, você é show de bola, cara. Foi no meu baile lá na ilha, sexta-feira. Dançou muito, gostou do local. Show de bola.
Mixagens Sorriso DJ.
Lembrando que tudo isso que tá tocando aqui, só coisa boa. Tá na Ilha do Governador amanhã, hein, Telinho? Tá convidado, hein, Telinho? Mr. Nando. Essa parada. Lá na Praia São Bento, número 1 ao lado da Churrascaria Siri, da Ilha do Governador. Caricatos Music, bar, restaurante. Mais um apoio aí. Marcelo Aurélio, que é o cara que tá organizando esse evento bacana lá, valeu? E aquela força do professor Eduardo Muniz, da Vila da Penha. Tem me perguntado aqui quem é esse cara aí, é o Whisper.
Come on and take my hand. Take my hand. Take my hand. We'll take a flight more ways than one. I refuse to leave till I see the morning sun creep through your window pane. 'Cause baby, love won't let me wait.
Amanhã fica ligadinho na Estação Sat. Amanhã não, sexta não, né? Sábado, tô ficando maluco, hein? Sábado fica ligadinho a partir das 20 horas, Estação Sat, hein? Sorriso e Carlão DJ. Mega Soul, o som do charme. Só toca coisa boa, né?
It won't let me wait. No.
A próxima música eu vou mandar pro Mr. Nando e agora ele vai ficar maluco, ó. Abração pro Dudu, hein? Elaine, a esposa do Mr. Nando.
Sorriso DJ, dando um toque de charme na sua noite.
Remember when I said I didn't
Lembrando que amanhã na Praia São Bento, hein? Ao lado do restaurante Ciri da Ilha do Governador, hein? Caricato Music Bar, restaurante. Mais uma realização Marco Aurélio. A partir das 19 horas, entrada 0800. Sorriso e Carlão DJ. E aquela força bacana, o professor Eduardo Muniz, da Vila da Penha. Vou jogar aqui minhas duas músicas. Vou encerrar a live, hein?
Mega Soul, o som do charme.
Sem querer, gostei aqui, hein? Mandando usar pro Marco Aurélio, o responsável por esse baile maravilhoso que tá acontecendo aí do Governador. Na sexta-feira que passou foi uma estreia com o pé direito, hein? Foi bacana, mano. Essa parada, hein? Sorriso e Carlão DJ. E como sempre, Carlão sempre detonando coisa boa, cara. Show de bola. É a Praia São Bento, hein? Número 1 ao lado do restaurante Ciri da Ilha do Governador. Caricatos Music Bar. Restaurante, mais uma realização em Marco Aurélio tá aí. Curtindo a live aí, né? Aquela força bacana, professor hein, Eduardo Muniz, da Vila da Penha. Com certeza, Marco Aurélio. Amanhã estamos juntinhos, se Deus permitir. Muita Black Music por lá, hein? Casa bacana, familiar. Um espaço maravilhoso. Atendimento 100% show. Em frente à praia, bacana. Visual show de bola. sábado tem Estação Sat, Sorriso e Carlão DJ. Venga Sou o som do charme. Tem novidade por aí, hein? Tem surpresas. É só aguardar. Essa é a famosa Rosala, né? Essa saideira, hein?
You made up your mind, you're telling him goodbye today. Better take a minute before you throw it all away. Took your heart. See who's been there by your side. He could be gone long before you realize he wasn't wrong.
Brevemente, tem vários DJs que vai ser convidado aí, né? Lá no Caricatos Music Bar, lá na ilha. Tem o Mr. Não tá aí ouvindo, curtindo a live também. Tem o Maninho, né? Porque eles trabalham no sábado e de repente na sexta com certeza vai estar presente lá.
It's gone for life.
Tem muita gente pra convidar, né? Gente boa.
Twice.
Tem um Tinho da Bola Preta. Tinho da Bola Preta, hein? Brevemente, tudo correr bem. Passar mais aí, mais uns dias. E com certeza fazer aquele convite bacana.
Cast it all to the wind. If everything you had was a lie. Oh, power.
Fala você, Nando, qual é o dia que vai estar a live? Como vai estar a live, Jan? Fala aí, Jan. Fala aí, Jay. Mr. Nando, qual é o dia? Vai voltar a fazer aquela live bacana.
In some other place and time. No matter what you try, still can get him off your mind. Hold on tonight, 'cause you never loved the same way twice. Once it's gone, it's gone for life. And you never loved the same way twice. Don't be so quick to throw away the love you're gonna miss someday. Hold on, baby, hold on.
Beleza, hein? Que sequência bacana, hein? Lembrando que amanhã tudo tocou aqui, vai tocar lá amanhã com Sorriso e Carlão DJ. Na praia São Bento, número 1, ao lado do restaurante Siri da Ilha do Governador, Caricato Music Bar, restaurante. Mais uma realização aí, Marco Aurélio. O apoio bacana, professor Eduardo Muniz, da Vila da Penha. Sorriso e Carlão DJ, hein? Fala, Marta. Só chega no finalzinho, né? Grande Marta.
Might search the whole world over, spending your life looking over your shoulder. You might try to recreate
Mr. Nando ainda não sabe qual o dia que vai ser a live dele. quero agradecer a todos aí na live, né? Dando aquela moral bacana. Poxa, muito bacana mesmo, cara. O tempo desse chuvoso, a epidemia, enfim. Né? Curtindo um charmezinho, não faz mal a ninguém, né? Essa é a minha saideira. Aproveitando voltar no sábado, valeu? No sábado.